'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go.
Breaking news!
Fireworks are pyrotechnical devices that were first invented in ancient China in the 12th century.
The basic design of a firework has hardly changed over the years. It is a shell made out of paper.
Also, small spheres of explosives called stars, which contain a combustible material, an oxidizing agent, and a metallic compound and an agglutinant to keep the compounds together.
The metallic compound may be made of aluminum, iron, steel, zinc, or magnesium in order to create shimmering sparkles.
It also contains a bursting charge, which is a firecracker-like charge at the center of the shell.
And don't forget the fuse, which provides a time delay so that the shell explodes at the right altitude.
The shell is launched from a mortar, usually made of paper or steel, with black powder that explodes in the pipe to launch the shell.
This is a diagram of what a typical fireworks shell looks like.
Here's the fuse, the bursting charge, stars, the container, and the powder.
Disclaimer: fireworks can be dangerous. Remember, they are explosives.
Every year, more than 8,000 people in the U.S. are injured in firework-related accidents. The majority of them are burns.
It is smart to stay at least 840 feet away from the launch area and never launch shells into winds more than 20 miles per hour because it could be blown off course and hit someone.
The sights and sounds of each explosion is the result of several chemical reactions.
They take place within the shell as it descends into the sky.
Oxygen gas is required to burn and excite the atoms of the stars.
The reducing agents of sulfur and carbon act as catalysts when combined with oxygen in order to form the explosion. The resulting equation for the reaction is
4KNO3 yields 2K2O plus 2N2 plus 5O2.
Overall, fireworks create beautiful patterns in the sky to entertain people at many different celebrations.
An example of a celebration where fireworks are used is the 4th of July, so start stocking up now. But don't forget, you have to be 18 years or older to buy fireworks.
Don't forget to tune in next week for more Chemistry Dream Team updates.
Ooh, there's gonna be fireworks, on the 4th of July. Red, white, and blue fireworks like diamonds in the sky.
From a mortar. From a mortar. Back in my day, we had dogs to hunt the rats. We called them rat dogs.
Dun, dun, dun.
We called them rat dogs because the cats were too lazy. What?
And don't forget the future. And
Charge. I knew that.
Sure you
Charge
did.
at the center of the shell. Shit. I forgot what I was supposed to say.
oh my god. The shell explodes at the right altitude.
Yeah, that was perfect. That explodes in the pipes to launch the shell. And firework ray. Dang it.
Mimi, you messed it up!
Accidents. The most. Dang it. Crap. No, I didn't laugh.
I totally messed that up.
Oxygen jet. Dang it.
Did you say jazz?
Yeah. Oxygen.
Oxygen?
Oxygen. God.
Don't forget to tune in next week.
Oh my god. Bless you.
She's on you.
From a mortar. I did it that time.
Yes! Let's do it.
All right.
Do you want us to come to him?
Zoom in and take.
Yeah, it's recording. There's the fire. There he is.
We should totally get this.
He's just sitting there. It's raining.
What is he doing? Why is he just
Does he
sitting
see
there?
us? Does he want us to come to him? He's trying to lure us in.